Hey everyone, it's Dave the Gamer here, and today we're going to be opening a Riachu evolutions thing. So, let's just get right into it. So this is like my second Pokemon card opening. The other one hasn't uploaded yet, so once it uploads, you'll see it. But I'm not going to give out any bloopers. So like, here's the packet. You guys have probably already seen it. Then I'm just going to open it. I hope we get either like an EX or something, or like a Mega EX, because I really need more of those. This is hard to open. What the heck? Why is this so hard? Ugh! Hold on. This is... Okay, there we go. Okay. Card trick. That right there. 3 cards. Front. So, the first card we have is a Charizard Spirit Ring. Ooh, a double colorless energy. Double colorless energy. Nidorino. Seal. Poliwag. Tangela. Voltorb. Fairy type energy. Clefairy, and then and a regular rare Starmie. Man, I thought we were gonna get something good, but the code card was green. But here you go. Here's the code. If it will zoom in. It's not zooming in. But that's basically all. Well, here's a recap of what good things we got. Like, I think we did pretty good, because we actually did not that bad. So these are the good cards that we got today. We got this Clefairy, this this Fairy type energy, and the Charizard Spirit Link, and then this double colors energy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be doing more Pokemon card openings, and yeah, I'll see you in the next Pokemon video. Bye.